We are here at Fyuz 22 and I'm here at Accenture stand. I'm speaking to Jefferson Wang, who is Global Networks and 5G lead. What are you showing here and what's your involvement with TIP?
So Accenture is a global professional services company, and we just started a new group called 5G and Networks, and that's a big reason why we're here. We've actually been involved with TIP since the very beginning, when TIP Summit started back in Menlo Park, and we've always been a strong sponsor of TIP Summit, and it's been something very important to us. What we work on in the network is basically the entire life cycle, from the strategy and the plan and the architecture of a network, to the actual design and build of it, to the actual testing and validation, to the deployment and run. So we actually work through the full life cycle of these networks.
I know you guys are involved with TIP Academy, so tell us more about it.
One of the big things that we're excited about at this conference is that a lot of the network work we're doing, we're seeing a lot of shortage in the talent. And then as a result, we partnered with TIP, we partnered with Vodafone, and then Accenture worked together to create TIP Academy, which is an online learning course basically helping not only network engineers, postgraduates, job seekers, basically upskill and learn about the network.
I know you guys are involved in a lot of Open RAN activities as well, so just tell us a bit about it.
Depending upon what country we're working in, a lot of our clients are actually working on Open RAN, so we're helping them work through the actual business case of Open RAN. We're working on the ecosystem orchestration of Open RAN. We're doing a lot of work on sort of the actual implementation of Open RAN as well. So in Europe, and we're starting some in the North America space as well. So it's a really exciting time for Open RAN.
We are here at Fyuz conference, and how are you finding it? I know it's just a day one, right? And it's just been few hours, but how are you finding it?
Totally different, right? I think in the past, all the other TIP summits we've been to, it's been progressively increasing in terms of attendance. It's been increasing in terms of what things that are actually coming out and people are showing. And it's really exciting to see how big it's grown. This is the most grand TIP Summit / Fyuz that we've ever been to, and we're really excited to be here. You're seeing so much more energy, a lot more people coming out, and a lot of people demonstrating real-world devices and real-world networks and real-world implementations.
Tying in with the Fyuz Summit theme, what is your favorite cuisine?
My favorite cuisine, I love Tex-Mex, so a combination of kind of chili burritos and Mexican food.
Thanks very much, Jefferson, for taking out time and speaking with us. It's glad that you are here, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the summit.
Thanks
Thank
so
you.
much for having me.